What's going on, guys? My name is Naz and welcome to the Spooling Up channel. Today I'm just doing a pretty simple video installing some LED lights to the MK4 Golf Gti in the form of side light bulbs and rear number plate light bulbs. And the reason why I'm doing this is just to do a nice cheap and easy modification, just to show you that in order to make your car look a little bit better, you don't have to spend loads and loads of money all the time. So let's get into the video, guys. There's going to be a quick tutorial of how to do it. Right guys, so at the minute I've got the BMW over here and the Golf on this side. What I'm looking to do is to change the number plate lights to LED ones, so they're a lot brighter, which in my opinion is actually a lot nicer. Makes the car, gives it a bit of a lift. I've bought LED lights, apparently they are error free, and the reason why this is a problem is because the LEDs use a lot less power, and I think sometimes throw up a fault on the dash of the car. As you can see, only one of the front ones on the Golf works, so I'm going to be putting LED side lights at the front of the Golf, and LED number plate lights on the Golf and LED number plate lights on the BMW as well. So just filming now at the minute just to get a rough idea of what the number plates look like now and after. So all you need to remove these covers for the light bulbs is a Phillips screwdriver. So once you've been able to pop the cover and the bulb holder off the number plate, here's the new LED bulb. This one actually looks like it's blown already, it's pretty dark. Just gonna pop that out, put the new one in, obviously with the LED bulbs facing out of the casing. There we go, so that's in there now. Obviously you can see the LEDs pointing out the bottom. Make sure it's facing completely the right way and then pop that back up, and then all you have to do is the same to the other side. Right, so now it's time to do the front side light bulbs. Actually, this one actually doesn't work, and you can see it's actually black, looks like it's blown. So first things first, there's a small metal clip down here that needs to be pulled out of the way. Once that's pulled out of the way, you can pull away these this little bit of wiring harness down here, and you can actually see where the side light bulb's mounted. It's going to be pretty difficult to do it and record it at the same time, so I'm just going to go ahead and pull it out. Here it is, completely black and shiny, so that's definitely blown. Going to be replacing it with one of the LED ones, and hopefully it looks nice and doesn't throw up any errors. Now here's one of the LED bulbs for the front side lights, and what I've done is, because I've fitted the number plate light ones already, I have started the car to see if they threw up any errors, because I didn't want to fit all 4 bulbs, then get an error and have to try and find out what ones were causing it. So I'm going to go ahead and fit these now, and at least if an error comes up, then I know that it's down to these front 501s. Right, so you can see the bulbs are in place here at the front. I've actually tested them already. I've had the lights on just to make sure I wasn't getting any errors, and everything's all back up and in place at the rear. So just wait for it to get dark and have a look and see what's going on. Right guys, it's now dark enough to have a look and see what the lights look like on the Golf. Just gonna flip those side lights on. Let's have a look. Yes, much better, much clearer now. You get the same bright white lights. Just gives the car a lot more of a cleaner look. Let's go around to the front, see what the front side lights look like. See, a lot better, a lot brighter, and they've got a slight blue tinge to them as well. So definitely happy with that. And I think I paid 99p for 10 of these front bulbs, so it's definitely worth it. Nice little cheap fix to give the car a little uplift. Right guys, so that pretty sums up today's video. I mean, you've seen what the bulbs look like before. We had the broken side light bulb on the front, the really dim one on the other side, and the dim number plate light bulbs. Now it's completely different. Nice little cheap transformation, guys. So if this video has helped you in any kind of way, whether you've watched it and you've learned how to install these things, or you've decided to do it to your own car, whatever, then please like, comment and subscribe to help me out with the channel. It all makes it worthwhile in the end, you know. So also got the social media, guys, at the end, Instagram, Snapchat, and also in the process of making a Facebook page, guys. So if you want to see anything else that isn't video related and it's just pictures and other things like that, then check it out, guys. Thanks.